It's happening. These things are all over the train stations. It's basically a little lottery thing. Like if you were gonna get this, you would draw a letter and then you would get according prizes. It's a giant ad for One Piece. I just can't get over how huge these crows are over here. Like, what the f. And then it looks like super villain headquarters over here.
Beef on a stick. Yeah.
Oh my. This stick was $10. It was so worth it. Holy shit. So we walked all the way over here, mainly to go down here to the exciting bookstore. Y'all gotta check out this shirt. Look at it. And at a different angle. Cool. We're like shooting some kind of drama here. We are headed to the Pokemon Center in Ikebukuro again. I had to, sorry. Definitely did damage. Headed to the next destination. Hot milk tea. Yay! It's so warm. Free hand warmer. It's like really hot, like it's burning, but it's nice because it's really cold. Look at it! Right up there! This store though. Let me go in here. Oh my gosh. It's like Totoro's little hideout. It's so pretty over here. Looks like throw up. Oh, nope, he saw it. Oh god, no, oh, what? Make a wider turn, man. Uh-oh, she on the phone. Dun-dun, nope. Oh god, no, he sees it. Oh, okay. People coming up. Uh-oh, she's turning. Make a wide turn. She sees it. Oh, he stopped because he saw her stop. Dang, they on their shit.
That would have taken America like 4 hours. Like,
man, it didn't even hit the wall. Good job, boys. Good job. Second full day. It's raining. We are on a mission to find the first ramen restaurant that I ate at. So you enter this, and then you choose, I believe I chose this one.
Alright, it's happening.
Copy my change. Let me narrate this. We are at the very first ramen shop that I ate at in Shinagawa. Appetizer mochi from the station. Because the lady gave us a sample and we were sold. We're gonna grab a goofy one. Oh.
Where's my camera? I need to take some photos of these.
That was so good.
Oh my god.
It's so chewy.
It tastes better now that you bought it.
I'm so excited. Oh, it smells so good. Arigato. Arigato.
Like the first night. That's for sure. Really?
Look at all this food. Doesn't it all look fake? We're headed to Akihabara. So the beauty of the Passmo card is that you can also buy drinks. Also works at a bunch of gas stations and other places too. Yep. And there it is. My milk tea. We didn't even exit the train station yet, and they got the cutest stuff, like, aww, and then they got this shit. What the fuck is that? What the hell is this? Come on. Aww. Look at this. Cyndaquil. Try not to run into anyone. Most of these arcades are not just one floor. So we're going up. First floor was all UFO catchers and second floor is the same. Oh my.
What?
You have to get it!
That's it.
Come on.
Learn to clean. Jesus.
An arcade right there. Arcade down there. And we just came from the arcade right here. There goes all my money. It's rough. You gotta get it at like exactly that little divot right there. It looks so easy. I know. This one, it looks like it's easy. You actually have to probably do at least like 5 tries to keep turning it, and then it'll fit exactly in this hole. And then we have that one hanging from a divot thing, and then you have to knock it down. Then we have this. Like, oh my god, it's overflowing. You could get it so easy, but no. You see those little triangle things? Oh my god, they make it impossible. I hate it. Considering they're probably like $30 figures, you're probably gonna end up spending like 50 on it. If you even get it. Oh! Oh! What the? Wow. Oh, it's beautiful. Noctis. Oh, of course he's sold out. Ooh, clearance. What's up?